Good morning, everyone. Look what I got in the mail yesterday. I work afternoons, so when my wife told me this came, I could not wait to open it. So let's see what we got here. Here's a little list of what comes inside. I'm sure a lot of people who's gonna watch my video have seen the other ones. Hopefully we can get a few hits out of these. That'd be sweet. If you haven't, go check out rcexplosionbox.com. Filmington puts out an awesome product. So let's see what we got here. Not too many peanuts. Let's see here. 93 Topps. 85 Donruss. 81 Donruss. 19 Topps Series 2. 18 Update. 18 Heritage High Number. 2017 Chrome. 2017 Update. 208 Bowman Chrome. 13 Update. 2015 Update. And 2016 Chrome. So let's go with, I'm going to go with the older ones last. So let's go with the newer ones first here. 2016 Chrome. Oh, there we go. Francisco Liriano. Looks like sometimes a refractor, maybe. I don't know. Andrew Heaney. That's it. Only 4 cards in that pack. So let's check out 2015. Oh no. Gonzalez rookie. Graham rookie. Rivero rookie. White Fires. Lance McClure's rookie. Mike Hampton. What we got here? Arizona Diamondback rookie combo. Mark Teixeira, All-Star. Ramos and Stephen Voigt. Let's check out the 2013 update. Rondino. Matt Adams. Zach Wheeler rookie. Juan Irby. Well, that's a gold out of 2000. 1022 out of 2013. Jim Palmer postseason hero. Reed Johnson. Big Poppy. Robinson Cano. Home Run Derby. And Matt Lidstrom. 2008 Bowman Chrome. Joe Mauer, Aubrey Huff, Will Klein, rookie, and Luis De La Cruz, first Bowman card. 2017 update. Drew Smiley, Wade Davis, Tazawa, Wade Davis, Santana, Dansby Swanson rookie, Jordan Montgomery rookie, Ronald Torres, Jesse Winker rookie, and Brad Hand. – 2017 Topps Chrome. Alex Bregman rookie. All right. And a Bryce Harper. Andrew Benintendi rookie. All right. And Nolan Arenado. 2018 Heritage High number. Andrew Romine, Austin Gomber, that's a rookie card. Adam Engel, Willem Adams, rookie. Louis Brinson, JD Martinez. Well, that's numbered. It's a numbered card. What is that? That is number 9 out of 69. Well, that's pretty cool. Dan Vogelbach, Fernando Romero, and Austin Jackson. 2018 Topps update. Let's see what we got here. Jose Bautista. Oh, there we go. Shohei Ohtani, rookie debut. All right. Kristen Yelich, Jason Vargas, Trevor Story, Juan Soto rookie, Miles Mikolas rookie, Adam Engel, Felipe Vasquez, and Matt Adams. This is the 2019 Series 2. Let's see what we got. See if we can get some Alonso. See if we get some Vlad Jr., Matt Harvey, Kikuchi, Victor Reyes, Johan Camargo, Reds, Strike a Pose. There we go. Matt Shoemaker. Looks like a parallel. Oh, it's numbered 150 out of 2019. Let's see here. Pujols, Miguel Rojas, John Hicks, Dan Desmond, Nick Trapino, and Freddie Peralta. Let's go with, let's see if we can pull a Jeter. Let's see here. 1993 Topps. I can get this damn thing open. There we go. Eric Hansen, Jeff Montgomery. Oh, Bernie Williams. I'll take that. Rafael Ballard. Tom Kennedy. Carlos Barrega. Gold. Joe Hesketh. JT Bruett. I'm tearing these names up. Jeff Acero. Jose Uribe. Mark Clark. Jeff Bagwell. Okay. Put that off to the side. Checklist. Patterson and John Burkett. No Derek Jeter. Alright. 85 Donruss. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Keith Moreland, Wayne Gross, Pat Sheridan, Joaquin Andujar, Willie Upshaw, Diamond King. Oh, there we go. Nolan Ryan, Alan Trammell, Phil Gardner, Juan Berenger, Bobby Brown, Ralph Citarella, Joe Cowley, John Gibbons, Darrell Evans, and Mel Hall. Last but not least, 81 Donruss. Oh yeah, love the gum. Lonnie's got the gum. There we go. Lonnie Smith, Steve Dillard, Steve Carlton, Cy Young, 1980. Okay. Reggie Jackson, sweet. Bob Rogers, Gary Matthews, Mick Keller, Mike Kubbage, Rob Piccolo, Jack Clark, Rick Miller, Tug McGraw. Oh yeah, my favorite, the checklist. There we go. Goose, Rich Gossage, Gorman Thomas, Cesar Germano, and Sparky Lyle. Well, that's it. We got some decent cards out of there. Some Hall of Famers, some popular people. If you like, hit that like, subscribe. Got a couple things in the pipeline. Looking to get a hobby box at Top Stadium. Got a couple things going on eBay, so hopefully it'll pan out. I'm not going to give it out, so... Well, it's Jeremy. This is Jeremy, and I'm done. And if you like what you see, check out this guy, RC Explosion Box. Awesome product. Have a good one.